We will show you how to replace the filters quickly and easily on an HP 6000. For the replacement, you'll need the following tools: a replacement filter M150121390 or M10100070, a combination wrench, a socket wrench, and a pair of flat nose pliers. Switch on the HP 6000 melter, wait until it is heated up, and empty the tank completely. The filter change must always be carried out when the system is heated and depressurized. Remove the filter screen from the empty tank using pliers. Wearing personal protective equipment is strongly recommended. Now loosen the filter M10100070 with a socket wrench and then remove it with pliers. Then insert the new replacement filter into the tank and tighten it with the socket wrench. The filter screen can now be inserted again using the pliers. Replacing the filter M150121390 on the HP 6000. Make sure you check that the system is completely depressurized. Next, you can use the combination wrench to carefully loosen the old filter from the HP 6000 to remove it. Insert the replacement filter M150121390 into the melter and tighten it again. The new filters should be replaced after a maximum of 1 year or 1000 operating hours.